If your WhatsApp chat backup gets stuck on iPhone or Android, you're not alone. This guide covers how to fix the issue and get your backup completed. Let's dive into the solutions that work. Part 1. Fix WhatsApp backup stuck on iPhone 9 solutions. Solution 1. Be sure to enable iCloud Drive. 1. Go to Settings, tap your name, then iCloud. 2. Enable iCloud Drive. 3. If it's on, toggle it off and on. 4. Enable Use Mobile Data. 5. Wait to see if the WhatsApp backup works. Solution 2. Reset network settings on iPhone. Check your internet connection and switch between mobile data and Wi-Fi. If WhatsApp backup is stuck, reset network settings. Solution 3. Force quit WhatsApp before backup again. Go to Settings, Apps, find WhatsApp, and tap Force Stop. Solution 4. Check iCloud status. Server issues may affect WhatsApp backup. Check iCloud status and try again later. Solution 5. Delete an old iCloud backup. In Settings, iCloud Backup, delete the backup. In WhatsApp Chat, start a new one. Solution 6. Verify iCloud storage. Go to Settings, your name iCloud, manage storage. If iCloud storage is low, grade to a higher plan. Solution 7. Force reboot your iPhone. A force restart resets the iPhone's preset power cycle and removes unwanted cache data. Solution 8. Update iOS. 1. Go to iPhone Settings General Software Update to check if there's the latest iOS version available. 2. Tap on the Download and Install button if any. 3. When your device reboots, check if the problem is resolved. Solution 9. Backup WA data using iTunes. 1. Connect your iPhone to your PC via USB and run iTunes on it. 2. Tap the device icon and click Summary. 3. Click on Backup Now in the Backup section. Part 2. Fix WhatsApp not backing up on Android 9 solutions. Solution 1. Inspect Google account. 1. Go to Android Settings Chats Chat Backup. 2. Tap on the Account section. 3. Make sure you have an active account, or just set up another account here. Solution 2. Clear up WhatsApp cache. Solution 3. Exclude videos before backup. Go to your phone Settings Chats Chat Backup. Disable the Include Videos option. Solution 4. Discard WhatsApp beta program. To fix a stuck WhatsApp Google Drive backup, leave the beta program. Open the Play Store, find WhatsApp, and select the option. Solution 5. Remove WhatsApp backups from Google Drive. 1. Log into Google Drive. 2. Click the cog icon Settings. 3. Go to Manage Apps. 4. Find WhatsApp Messenger. Click Options, and select Disconnect. Solution 6. Close applications running in the background. Solution 7. Update Google Play services. You might not be using Google Play services, which reflects in WhatsApp backup taking too long. One of the causes for this can be the outdated Play services. To fix it, go to the Google Play Store, locate Play services, and update it right now. Solution 8. Get WhatsApp updated. 1. Go to Google Play Store and look for My Apps and Games. 2. You will see a list of apps that are installed on your phone. Check if WhatsApp has a new update. 3. If there's an update available, please tap on WhatsApp Update. Part 3. Alternative ways to back up WhatsApp chats to computer. Yes, you can use WhatsApp Transfer to back up WhatsApp data from your iPhone to your PC or Mac. It allows easy viewing and selective export of backup files. How to back up WhatsApp data from an iPhone to a computer using WhatsApp Transfer. Step 1. Install and launch the WhatsApp Transfer on your computer after the download. Click WhatsApp Transfer from the left. Step 2. Choose Backup WhatsApp Messages. Next, connect your iPhone to the computer via USB cable, and WhatsApp Transfer will recognize your device later on. Step 3. The tool will then start to scan your device. Once done, it will back up your WhatsApp data automatically. Step 4. Tap View to preview the backed up data. Select a backup and click Next. Step 5. Preview and confirm the chat list and attachments. Click Recover to Computer to back up WhatsApp data.